ஸோ ஹாய் தோன்றத்தோட தமிழ் மக்கள் அனைவருக்கும் இந்த விஜே நிக்கியின் அன்பான வணக்கங்களை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். வணக்கம் மக்களே. ஸோ எல்லாரும் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? ஆஃப்டர் லாங் டைம் நான் வந்துட்டு ஒரு லைவ் வரேன் அப்படின்னு நான் வந்துட்டு நினைக்கிறேன். இந்த மூஞ்சியை தான் எப்போவுமே பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கேன், மூடிட்டு போடா அப்படின்னு வந்து சொல்கிறவங்களுக்கெல்லாம் தயவு செஞ்சு மறுபடியும் என்னை பார்க்க வேண்டிய ஒரு சுச்சுவேஷன் வந்துருச்சு. ஓகே, இன்னைக்கு நம்ம வந்துட்டு யார் கூட இன்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம் அப்படின்னு வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அனைக்கா சொர்ட்டி அவங்க கூட தான் இன்னைக்கு நம்ம வந்துட்டு இன்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ காவிய தலைவனும் அவங்க வந்துட்டு ஆக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ அந்த ஹீரோயின் கூட தான் இன்னைக்கு நம்ம வந்துட்டு இன்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ உங்களுக்கு என்னெல்லாம் கேள்விகள் இருக்கோ அது மறக்காமல் கமெண்ட் செக்ஷனில் கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். டெஃபினட்டாக நம்ம எல்லாருமே சேர்ந்து இன்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணுவோம். தி அன்னோன் கிங் வணக்கம். தமிழ் அவர்களே வணக்கம். ஹாய் ஹாய் ஹாய். சுஷ் கிறிஸ் ஹாய். ஹலோ ஹாய் வணக்கம். How are you? Definitely.
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How is life going?
Good, same. Just the same thing every day.
Okay, done. So how is your lockdown? Lockdownல எப்படி போயிட்டு இருக்கு? போர் அடிக்குதா? It is good or பழகிடுச்சு அந்த மாதிரியா?
Lockdown, I think it's still going on for me at least because we can't do anything. So just been at home and it's the same thing every single day. I'm just repeating the same routine.
Okay.
Working out, cooking, working, like, you know, doing the household work. That's it. Very boring.
Okay, but இதெல்லாம் வந்துட்டு பாசிட்டிவா மாறிட்டு இருக்கும். Don't worry. So what is influencing you the most? வீட்ல இருக்கிறது what is influencing you the most?
English. I can't understand.
English அதான் இங்கிலீஷ்ல தான் இதுக்கு மேல இங்கிலீஷா? Okay. So you're staying at home la? Yeah. What is influencing you the most?
The most? I think just watching movies, and there's nothing influencing really, like, because I'm just watching movies and maybe I'll just see something online and see, you know, what's happening, what I can do at home, the activities that I can. And other than that, I think just to keep myself, like, you know, every day I have to like really prepare from my mind that I have to do my workout, I have to cook. Hi. Hello.
Okay. Everyone is commenting your name.
Hi, hello. Hi,
okay.
Everyone.
Nice.
Thank you so much for joining. Hi, Ashish. I can't
okay.
see the comments.
Yeah. I am able to see the comments. உங்களுக்கு பார்க்க தெரியுதா? Like you are able to see?
Just one second.
Yeah. So மக்களே, உங்களுக்கு என்னெல்லாம் கேள்விகள் இருக்கோ அது மறக்காம கமெண்ட் செக்ஷன்ல வந்துட்டு கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. So we are going to interact.
Hi. Yeah. Tell me.
Okay. So we are going to interact with நம்ம வந்துட்டு ஒரு சூப்பரான ஒரு gorgeous lady கூட நம்ம வந்துட்டு interact பண்ண போறோம். அனைக்கா கூட வந்துட்டு interact பண்ண போறோம். So what and all questions you have, you can pitch it over here. So அனைக்கா, உங்களோட quarantine daily routine. Tell us about your daily routine.
So daily routine is just like 4 days in a week. I think I might be doing this, like waking up, having breakfast, working out, then just you know, lunch, watch movies, listen to songs, watch songs, dance a little bit, and talk to my friends, and that's it. Have dinner and sleep. Very boring. But even like to do this, like even the household activities, like, you know, mopping and all that, it's like very difficult. So every single day it just does get difficult for me to, you know, achieve the target, like, you know, okay, today I have to do this. It gets very difficult, but I try to do it. And there are some days where I get so bored that I'm doing nothing except just lying on the bed. Nothing, just lying on the bed. I'm sure you can relate to that.
Yeah. Okay.
It is.
Okay. Yeah. So do you cook பண்ணுவீங்களா? Like during lockdowns and all you started cooking?
Yes. I cook. I don't want to praise myself here, but I cook well, like considerably. Like people like it. So yeah.
Okay.
it's not like the first time because of lockdown I learned. I love cooking in general. So I have been like, but I explored like a lot of dishes, new dishes.
Okay. Okay. So
So
even I am doing.
fun. Sorry. I'm just
No,
gonna
no,
say
no,
that.
no issues. Anga hi சொல்லுங்க. So even during lockdown and all, no, I used to cook very well. நான் இப்பதான் வந்துட்டு I started cooking. Yesterday I did முட்டை கலக்கி. It is a egg dish.
Egg dish.
Egg dish, yeah. I did
Okay.
முட்டை கலக்கி. So it was nice.
So what do you
Okay.
do today? What do you do? Tell me.
My daily routine, I work for Behind Woods. So Behind Woods is my family. So
I
I'm staying
very
here.
popular. Yes. One of the best actually pages I like.
Yeah, thank you so much. Ellam.
And you have been in this space for a very long time. Behind Woods, I remember like
More than 15 years.
yeah. It's
True.
Yeah.
Okay. So Kavya Talaivan, in the movie pati this I just want to talk about this experience. So உங்களுக்கு வந்து நிறைய response you have got from Tamil audience.
Yeah.
What happened?
I'm just saying
Oh,
hi
it
to
was
everyone.
hi. Okay. Okay. So tell us about that experience, Kavya Talaivan experience.
Kavya Talaivan, it was my first Tamil film. So it was very special. But at the same time, I was very nervous because I was working with a stellar star cast. Like, someone they're so experienced. Prithvi Raj, Siddharth, Vasanta Balan sir, then Vedika. All very experienced and very good at what they're doing. And Neerav sir as a DOP. So it was difficult, but the experience was amazing. They were very sweet, very kind, very supportive, very helpful to me. And my experience was overall very good. But obviously the language, because it was the first time I was, even reading Tamil. So for me, it was very difficult, but I managed it. My co-stars were very helpful. And Vasanta Balan sir also, very sweet and very good team. It was good.
Okay, so Siddharth and Atharva, your co-stars, who is more friendly?
Both are
Who is super cool?
both are very cool.
Okay.
I think Siddharth, Atharva is very professional, but at the same time, when he's free, he's like preparing his scenes and all that. He's like very dedicated to his craft. So he's always, what I observed in my experience with him, he's like, he prepares himself well before any scene. And Siddharth, he's chilled out, he's nice, and he's also very professional, very hardworking, and it was fun with both of them, but very different. Like experience with both of them were very different.
Okay, so one of your fan has commented, chocolate abindravanga has commented, has asked you a question. Who is the favorite actor in Kollywood? Your favorite actor in Kollywood?
Favorite actor, I like Vikram.
Okay.
Vikram, the movie Onion. Vikram, Shia Vikram, right?
Yeah, Chyan Vikram sir.
I love him a lot. So he was the first Tamil actor's movie I actually watched when I was studying.
Okay.
He was the first Tamil actor I watched, and I became a fan after Onion. So
Okay.
Yeah, I was like, until today, I don't think anyone is even close to like what the fondness and the love that as an actor I had for him. He's a very good actor. What about you? Who's your favorite actor?
My favorite actor, I can't say one actor because I love all of them acting. Because from childhood, no, நம்மெல்லாம் அவங்கள பார்த்து தானே we have grown up. So எல்லா இடத்துலயும் entertain. They all people have entertained me in many ways. So particularly சொல்ல முடியாது, but I love Talapati, Talaivar like that and all.
Me too, I like them too. But my favorite is Vikram. Yeah.
Vikram sir, okay. Super. So explain about Ram Gopal Verma sir's explanation towards your any scripts, no? The way he narrates to an artist. எப்படி இருக்கும் that process? Tell about that process.
The process is very casual, but like mm, he's very like very passionate, very passionate about what he does. We all know that how passionate he is. So when he talks about any script or any story, he's like so into it. The way he explains, and you know, he talks about a particular character, like what character I'm gonna play. He'll talk about it in so much detail, and the best thing about him is that he doesn't audition. He doesn't audition.
Oh,
So I think he just sees, he observes you. He observes you, you know, like what he did with me was also he observed me, and he's seen that I can play this particular role. You know, I'm good for this character. So that's what I think. And on the set, like when it's about a scene, my experience with him on the set was how he brings out the acting. You know, like
okay.
so he'll come to me, like he'll come to any actor. He'll literally say the dialogue with, you know, expressions and everything. That this is how he wants it emoted, like, you know, on the screen. So that was really good because it made my job easy, because he's literally telling me, you know, how I'm supposed to act that scene. And he does it so well. I always told him, actually, you know, you should really consider acting. He's really good as an actor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice, nice. And one favorite experience with Ram Gopal Verma, sir. Do you have any interesting experience with them?
Interesting experience. I think in Kashmir, when we were shooting for a song for my first film, the experience, like, because it was obviously my first film, the crew and all of that, and you know, seeing Sir, the way he was, I think, you know, like after every shoot, like, you know, we used to sit in Sir's room, all of us, the whole crew, you know, like not all, but like at least 15 of us, we would just be sitting in his room and chilling, and he's talking his experiences, he's telling us, you know, and sharing everything. Like it used to be like a good evening we used to have after shoot. So that's my memorable experience. If you say,
Okay.
one of the good experiences I still remember from
Okay.
yeah, with RGV sir in Kashmir, sitting in his room, sipping on some coffee and listening to his.
Nice. Nice, nice, nice. And one favorite memory about Chennai.
Okay, Chennai.
One
Recently,
favorite, you can tell me recently, or one unforgettable memory. So you have in Chennai. So what is it?
1 second, 1 second.
Mm-mm-mm.
Let's say hello, hi to
Ah.
everyone. There's some
Hello.
some people are so
Many
cheap.
people.
Yeah. Some people are really cheap. I don't know
Who?
why. No, I mean the comments. Like people just anyway.
Ignore negativity.
Yeah, just that's what we're supposed to do. Actually, people are not going to improve. Some
I am swimming in negative only, but I am ignoring it.
yeah, but I'm seeing the good. I'm seeing the good comments. So hi to all of you. Thank you so much for the love that you are showing to both of us. So yeah, what was your question? Sorry.
Okay, one favorite memory about Chennai.
Yeah, so it was recently. I was shooting for a song there, and with my makeup artist and her friend. They took me to the beach. I don't remember the beach name. I think Marina.
Marina Beach. இங்க எங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சதெல்லாம் மெரினா பெசன் நகர் ஈஸியா.
Such a beautiful experience with Navina. I don't know if she's here, but yeah, like they took me to the beach. We walked like for like good half an hour. After that, they took me to a very like authentic South Indian restaurant to eat food. So it was so yummy. I still can't get the taste out of my mouth. It was so mouth watering. Like when I think of it, also like it was so good. It was one of the best experiences. Like recently, yes, this one memorable.
Okay, next time when you come to.
The weather was also favoring us that day, so it was amazing.
Amazing, no? Next time when you come to Chennai, no, I will take you to many restaurants. கீழ இருக்கிறவங்களாம் வயித்தெரிச்சல நீங்க மறுபடியும் திட்ட போறாங்க. Okay. One message to Tamil Nadu audience. What do you want to share?
Right now, I think the best thing, the most important thing I would like to share is that it's even more dangerous right now outside, you know, and it's very important to take care, have your vitamins, take care of your immunity, and wear your mask, and don't go out if it's not necessary. If you're working, then take all the precautions. Like my sister goes to work every day. She's like wearing the shield, wearing the mask. She takes gloves, sanitizer. She's working every day. So it's like it's difficult for me to even think like she goes every day, but then it's her job. So I would suggest everyone to take that kind of precautionary measures. Like that's what my sister is doing. I request everyone to do the same. It's very important. So this is my message, because this is what's important right now.
Okay, true. So now we are going to share our first experience in many things. You might have many experience, like your first experience in many things, no? We are going to share those things and all. Okay, you are ready?
Yes.
Okay. Your first audition.
No audition.
No audition.
I have never auditioned. Oh yes, sorry. I have.
Then nane second. Wow. No.
Sorry. I have auditioned. Not for my first movie. It was for Kavya Televan. I auditioned. And
so that was your first audition, right?
That was my first audition, but I never auditioned for Satya. That was my first film, but I
never
auditioned. I auditioned for Kavya Televan, and I was called to Chennai for that. So Vasant Palan sir was there. I was so nervous because all I heard about him was that he's very serious and super professional, but he was so good, so sweet. It was good. Yeah, that experience.
Okay, so your first crush in Tamil cinema.
Crush.
I
have no crushes in Tamil right now.
No.
Surya,
sir. Okay. Your first job.
First job. It was this acting, actually. That was my first job. Acting was my first. I'm just trying to remember. Did I do anything? But no, this was
like part-time jobs and all you must have done, no? Like that you are remembering, huh?
I was studying when I got this Satya, so I didn't really get any time to do any part-time job. Okay.
Your first Tamil dialogue.
First Tamil dialogue.
I know.
I don't know, but I know my song's lyrics, I can say. Hey,
okay.
Minor and Pakare. Nirmagale MCA Nikare. So I don't.
You are a good singer. But பரவாயில்லை நாங்க வந்துட்டு அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறோம் ஏத்துக்கிறோம் because you sing well. நல்லா இருக்கு. Come on, sing no.
Okay. No. You don't need to. I don't sing well.
Hey, real no. நம்ம கீழ கமெண்ட் செக்ஷன்ல we lost. So உண்மையாவே நல்லா இருக்குதுன்னா கீழ yes thumb symbol காமிங்க மக்களே. Okay. So your first.
Everyone, once again, hello. I'm so sorry for your comments. Anyone had asked me questions? Tell me.
Okay, they are showing only hearts. I love you, Anika. அந்த மாதிரி தான் வந்துட்டு they are showing hearts. So sweet கீழ இருக்கிறவங்க எல்லாரும். See, they have showed you like thumbs up symbol.
Yeah.
Okay, you sing well it seems. Good.
No, I don't sing well, but yeah, anyway.
Okay, your first stage experience.
You sing well.
Me?
Yeah, can you sing for us?
Seriously?
Yeah.
வேணாங்க.
Sing?
Okay. One boy is sitting over there. Okay, I will sing. Any song, huh?
Hi, Chintan.
என்ன பாட சொல்லிட்டு you are talking there.
Yes.
Shall I sing?
Yeah.
Okay. So, சத்தியமா நான் சொல்லுறேன்டி உன் பார்வை அல தூக்குதடி பத்தியமா உன்னை பார்த்துக்கிறேன் உனக்காக நான் வாழ்ந்தபடி கிறுக்கி உன் கிறுக்கல் எழுத்துல தான் கிறுக்கா என்ன நீயும் மாத்தி புட்ட மனசில் இருக்கும் ஆசையத்தான். தேங்க்யூ.
Good.
சப்பா I also know Hindi song. You know that? I also know Hindi song. But ஆனா திட்டக்கூடாது கீழே கமெண்ட் செக்ஷன்ல இருக்கிறவங்க चौदनी का चांद हो याब ताब हो. How's it? கரெக்டா?
This song I know.
தேங்க்யூ. பாதி பேர் என்ன அசிங்கமா நடிச்சிருப்பாங்க. ஓகே, your first compliment, your first best compliment.
The compliment that I remember, it was for my work, I think from RGB sir only, that he really thought that my eyes were really expressive. Even if he used to tell me about my eyes a lot, so that was a real compliment, because expressive eyes is very important for an actor. So yeah, that was my first good compliment.
Nice. Your first insult?
First?
Insult.
First?
Insult. Like negative. Yeah.
I can't remember insult.
No. Okay. Your first car?
First?
Car.
First car was actually i10 that my mom bought. That was not my own car, so yeah, but it was our house first car.
Okay. Your first book read?
I don't read.
No. But I thought நீங்க ஒரு 10-15 books would have.
I'm going to see, this is the challenge for me in this quarantine. I have decided that I'm going to develop a habit to read. I have to. Do you think it's good? You advise that?
No. Because like நான் இப்பதான் first book I have started reading. So day before yesterday only I started.
Good.
So it is nice.
Which book?
Alchemist.
Okay. What is it about?
It is like 20 pages தான் முடிச்சிருக்கேன். Like I'm reading now only. Day before yesterday only I started. ஐயோ மை டியர் மக்களே, இது என்ன நெட் சுத்திட்டே இருக்கு. ஓகே ஹாய் ஹலோ, கேன் யூ ஹியர் மீ? ஓகே
yeah, can you hear me?
yeah. So I have started reading like day before yesterday only.
Okay.
That is my first Alchemist.
Okay, cool.
Okay. So your first proposal? Yeah.
No one has proposed me yet.
No. Why?
I don't know.
For beautiful girls? Huh?
I think I'm not approachable, maybe. I think I come across as very rude or something like that, like mean. When people know me, I'm not like that, but maybe I just make a straight face or something like that, you know.
Okay. If some people like, if they are trying to propose you look like this, that weird look,
See, if suppose there's someone I know for a very long time.
See, down, one boy is telling you, like, now I proposed.
See, I got, okay, my first proposal is here. It's
எவ்வளோ வில்லத்தனமா யோசிக்கிறாங்களே. இப்படிதான் இந்த மாதிரி பேக்கா இருந்தா இந்த மாதிரி தான் பேசிட்டு இருக்கோம். கீழே பாத்தீங்களா? செம.
Can you do one thing? I'm so sorry.
What happened?
Can you just go live in again, like 30 seconds, please?
30 seconds?
Yeah.
It is cutting, cut ஆகுதா?
Yeah, there's some problem. Can you go in like 30 seconds again?
You have to go previous, or you want to cut and you want me to cut the live and come back, reconnect it?
Yeah.
Okay, done. We'll do it.